Stephenville traffic, RV 325 Romeo Victor, flight of 2, 4 miles to the southeast, inbound. We're going to enter our left downwind, runway 14, full stop, Stephenville.
Stephenville, flight of 2, RV 231 Lima Delta, second and the flight of 2 on final for 14, Stephenville.
Stephenville traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 14, departing 14, remain in the pattern. Stephenville. Advance the throttle. Looking for 64. Full. Right rudder. Oh my gosh. Geese. About 500 feet below me. Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
South 6244, contact for Cessna 132.07. And other calling for Cessna again?
Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
And that was number 1802 Victor?
Affirmative.
1802 Victor, Spark 2351.
2351, 02 Victor.
Number 1802 Victor, your radar contact 8 miles east of Stephenville, state type aircraft and destination.
This is Skyhawk Cessna 172. We're going to remain in the area requesting traffic advisories. We have an airplane just came out of maintenance and we're going to remain near the field.
1802 Victor, roger. Signal altimeter 3033, say altitude.
3033, 5,500.
1802 Victor, roger.
Regional departure, Myers 280 Tango 6.5. 280 Tango Fort Worth Center, the DFW altimeter is 3031. 3031. Remember 80 Tango, are you familiar with the restricted area down there by Gray? Yes, sir. What's your routing? I'm going direct middle intersection. Spell that for me. Lima India Tango Lima Echo. Lima India Tango what? Lima Echo. It's just to the east of the restricted area. L-I-T-L-E, is that right? Yeah, it's coming. Okay, and then direct. Yep. Yeah, it looks like that's still going to hit it, but I guess Gray will worry about that a little bit later. Yeah, and I'll talk to Gray. Okay.
Stephenville, Clark Field Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 0011 Zulu weather. Wind 130 at 6. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 17 Celsius. Dew point -4.
Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
1802 Victor, go ahead.
We'd like to cancel flight advisories.
1802 Victor, radar service terminated. Spark good bar, change of voice frequency approved. Good night.
Thank you for your help. 02 Victor.
Stephenville traffic, Cessna 450 Echo going base runway 14.
Stephenville traffic, Skyhawk 466 Tango Alpha is on the final for 14.
Stephenville traffic. We're about 3 northeast of the field. On extended downwind, we're going to turn base and land on final 14 Stephenville.
Stephenville traffic, Skyhawk 466 Tango Alpha is now clear of the active Stephenville.
Stephenville traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning final 14 full stop, Stephenville.
One mile final runway 14. 500.